So my name is Tyler Portner. I'm originally from Northeast Ohio near Cleveland. I'm a graduate of Case Western Reserve Law School, the University of Mount Union for undergrad, as a philosophy and communication studies student. First, I should say I'm not affiliated with any law firm. I'm a solo practitioner, just starting out with practices in the District of Columbia, New York State, and the state of Ohio. My specialty is mediation, where two parties sit down to try and negotiate a settlement before getting to court. My other experience includes real estate, including recording deeds or landlord-tenant issues. I have also handled small claims, transactions, contract review and negotiation, and things like that. I began practice in 2020. I decided to become an attorney because I believe that I understand that the law is purposefully confusing, and I wanted to learn the language to help make it be less confusing for myself and for other people, friends and family especially. I understood that my experience as a student of philosophy and as a communicator would translate nicely to the practice of law. I have an appreciation for justice. I believe it exists and is possible. I believe the American system gets us pretty close, and I wanted to take a meaningful role in that process. My strongest traits as an attorney are my abilities as a communicator. I can communicate the law in a way that makes sense to me, and oftentimes that helps it make sense to a client. I'm responsive. I am especially capable in handling mediations, which is finding common ground between two different perspectives. And in my experience, that can be a very meaningful way to bypass the legal process, to take the resolution of issues into your own hands so that you don't have to be patient with the bureaucracy of the court. You can solve your own problems. I like to be in a position to help people take control of that process. One of them is my freshness to the profession. I said that I've begun practice in 2020. It is currently 2021. I am a 2019 graduate of law school. This could be concerning to some people looking for an attorney, but I would want to stress that this means that my exposure to the technologies that exist are current. My comfort with the trends right now is current. My perspective is not institutional. I wouldn't say that I'm, hardened to the ways of the world or anything like that. I think I offer a fresh perspective. I like to think that I am a good communicator and that I would fight passionately for a client's interests. Ultimately, I'm flexible, I'm responsive, and I do care. I'm originally from Ohio. I've got practice areas in New York, Ohio, and DC. I am a quick study. I enjoy music. I'm a fan of the Cleveland Browns. There's only so much that can be said. I would say that if you're interested in learning more about me, I offer consultations where I can introduce myself and learn more about your matters. All I can really say is that I'm fresh to the profession, and because of that, I'm hungry and I'm very interested in helping make the legal process a little less confusing.